Greetings to everyone. To all of our students, I hope that this video finds you well, that you are all healthy and safe in your respective homes. We welcome you to the Cordillera Career Development College as we open another school year 2020-2021. This school year will be a little different from what we were used to, but I hope that with distance education, with remote teaching and learning, we would still work hand in hand. We will work together, you doing your share, our families working with us, and along with the efforts of the school personnel, your teachers, we would be able to make this semester a very meaningful one. We hope that we would be able to produce quality education with our team effort. We hope that we would be able to bring education that you well deserve.
What do we expect for this first semester? With the uncertainty of the current situation, CCDC for its basic education and college level will not employ face-to-face classes this August to December. But there are a few exceptions, like internship for our graduating students and our College of Law. Let me share to you that there are various modes of teaching and learning. First, we have face-to-face classes, and we also have what we call the second one, distance education. And a combination of the two, face-to-face and distance education, is what we call blended learning. With our current health situation, we will employ distance education. Distance education is a mode of delivery that has been applied long before COVID-19. In this mode, the teacher and the student are separated in terms of time and space. Is the distance education new? The answer is no. We have Philippine universities who have been employing distance education before this COVID-19 pandemic. To name a few, we have the UP Open University, who has been operating for almost 2 decades now. And here in Benguet, we have Benguet State University Open University. Hence, we will use their experiences and their best practices, which they had been sharing intensively the past months, for other schools like CCDC to cope with the situation. Why are we pursuing distance education? CCDC stands with UNESCO that education must not stop. Learning has to continue. But definitely, we have to ensure the safety and well-being of both learners and teachers. And we can do so through distance education. I would best describe our current setup in this analogy. We have been used to traversing one road to travel, but all of a sudden, due to heavy rains, this road has been washed out. In order for us to continue, we have heard of another road, another way. This is a road that has been taken by others, na daldalan ng tidaduman, na padpadasdan. And we hope that we can travel that road too. This is similar to what we're experiencing in the education sector. We have been used na sanay tayon iti classroom or face-to-face classes. But then again, dahito nga nakasanayan tayo kathaan pa'y nga applicable at the moment. Hence, we will opt to employ distance education, specifically remote teaching and learning. Remote teaching and learning is a kind of distance education. Remote teaching and learning is a form of distance education which is defined as an emergency measure to replicate classroom teaching and learning through various means. Remote teaching and learning, we will describe it again using a remote control and television sets. Even as we hold a remote control and use it to increase or decrease the volume of our TV, we can, even from a distance, uray medyo adayo, jay receiver ti signal and jay television, they are able to interact and react to each other. The same is true for us. Jay teacher medyo adayo ijay learner, but for some unseen way, they are able to connect with one another. And how do we intend to do that? That's where online communication comes in. And so we ask, awan mat signal dito do I have to be online all the time? The answer is no. Online or internet will be used more on communicating and monitoring to check if students are on the right track. In a week, we will only require students to be online 3 days in a week, preferably Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, and not necessarily for long hours. Radio production through the CCDC sa radyo program, which is aired over DCWT 540 every Mondays from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., will also be used as a means to communicate and deliver instruction during this time. Other means to ensure continuity of learning from home will be through self-study of printed materials and digital materials given at the start of the classes. So, even if the teacher and students are separated, we will be connected through our online, text messages, and radio program. And you will learn at home through your printed and digital materials included in your learning packages. And these are ways on how CCDC practices flexibility. Remember that the Commission on Higher Education, or CHED, the agency that regulates higher education in the Philippines, promotes flexible learning. In the practice of flexibility, we also made our infrastructure more flexible, more relevant, more accessible. An example of which is the conduct of off-site enrollment, where we visited some municipalities to enroll students, accept payments, and receive school requirements. Further, to facilitate submission and distribution of learning packages, we have established drop-off centers or pick-up centers. We hope that all these and more can smoothen the process. In case any of you need services to include medical, dental, guidance counseling consultations, we have also designated our school personnel to look into that matter. We hope that our online CCDC Cares button in your student portal through the Student CCDC space will be activated anytime soon, or if not, you can reach out to us through our CCDC official accounts. We will be here to help you to be able to guide. Lastly, dear students, all our efforts would have been futile if not for the many willing partners. On top of the list is our local government units who have shared their facilities, time, and effort to accommodate our off-site enrollment. They did it because they acknowledge the importance of education. We also thank members of the community, our municipal police officers who have volunteered to help. They also want you all to go to school, be able to graduate, and help your families.
So with that, dear students, we hope that this inspires you to do your best for this semester. We will face difficulties, but when we help each other, when we communicate with each other, we can overcome the difficulties and we can make this semester work and we can make this semester meaningful. So welcome to the Cordillera Career Development College. It is no longer your home away from home. Now it is a school represented by the many faces in your respective communities who bring education right at your homes. Again, welcome to the Cordillera Career Development College, and let's have a great semester ahead.